with the magic ring and make 6 double crochet inside it. Join by making a slip stitch. In the round 2, chain 2, then make 1 double crochet into the same stitch where we just chained 2, and then make 2 double crochet in each stitch. Join by making a slip stitch. Cut the yarn and let's crochet ears. Chain 7, single crochet into the second chain from the hook, then make half double crochet and 4 double crochet till the end of the row, and repeat it 2 times for 2 ears. Then stitch them to the main part by using a needle. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, hit the like, subscribe to my channel, and I see you in my next one.